Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here, and it's time. It's time for another Systeme.io marketing system training video. Now, once you finish watching this training video, just simply scroll down into the description of this video. Click on that link, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. Now, if you belong to Systeme.io already, not a problem. You can still request a free Systeme.io marketing system for your existing Systeme.io business. If you're brand new, congratulations. All you need to do is click here on my name and join the free Systeme.io marketing system, whether you belong to Systeme.io or not. Now, you're going to find the majority of my training videos on this page. These are the ones I produce. And of course, my business partner, Marty, produces the videos in the back office of Systeme.io to teach you how to actually use some of our platforms back there. So as we work our way down here, of course, we want to address some issues we're seeing with our members. They request to promote their Systeme.io free marketing system. So here goes. I produce videos for just about every scenario out there. So you need to take your time. I know you just want to get going. You want to make some money quick. You got a car payment due by Friday. You don't have time to go through training. I just need to make money tomorrow. Well, if that's your attitude, then might as well just turn off your computer, because no one offers a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity like we offer. So keep that in mind as you go through this training here. So this video here shows you what you get, what you receive with your free Systeme.io marketing system. This one here, how the Systeme.io live training room works. Very important that you watch this video, because when you get into the live training room, you're going to be lost unless you watch this training video here. And then this one here, how to request a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity you're working. For those who belong to Systeme.io already, look at this. We've got it so that we can just produce a marketing system just for your Systeme.io business. And of course, some of these big heavy hitter MLM affiliate programs like Live Good, These Lead, My Gen Secret, I can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So watch this video to learn how the Systeme.io marketing Facebook, I'm going to be talking a little bit about that, group works, and how powerful it is for generating leads. Very important video you need to slow down and watch. Systeme.io free advertising options. Yes, I'll do some free advertising for your marketing system. You need to watch this video to learn what you need to do so I can help you. And we're working our way down here. The Systeme.io showcase how it works. I haven't made that video yet. And we keep working our way down here. How joining and liking does nothing to promote the Facebook group. Keep working our way down here, keep working our way down here. And finally, we're getting to the training video I'm going to do today, which is, where can I find the instructions to request my AI automated Systeme.io Facebook page? So like I said, go here. This is going to be in the description of this video. Go here to learn how to request a build a free Systeme.io marketing system for your business, plus produce a marketing video for your business offers, whether you are a Systeme.io member or not. Now, if you happen to be a paid VIP member and have purchased the Done For You traffic package, make sure you like and share this video, because your Systeme.io funnel link will be in the co-op rotator link above right here. Also subscribe to my channel, ringing that little bell to be notified of my next Systeme.io training video. In addition to your free Facebook group and YouTube marketing video, you can request we build a AI-powered Facebook page by following the instructions below here. So one of the massively powerful features we offer in our marketing system is the ability to have 100% automatic Facebook page that engages with your leads automatically and is powered by artificial intelligence through OpenAI and the ChatGPT. This is free for you to claim, but you need to request it. You need to request it in our live Telegram training room. Now, when we built your initial system, IO marketing system for you, we sent you an email to get into our Telegram training room. This is not open to the public. You must be invited. And the only way you're going to be able to get in there is go find that email. And there's a link in that email to get you in there. In just a minute, I'm going to take you into our live training room there. Now, we do not create this for you automatically. We create your Facebook group for you, but not the page, the Facebook page for you. You have your complimentary Facebook group that is delivered with your marketing system, but this component is a special bonus for members to follow through and make their way into the Telegram group and request it. So to request yours, follow the instructions in the Google Doc right here. Of course, this will be in your in the Telegram group also. Once you completed the steps, paste the message below in the Telegram topic, marketing system setup help. If you paste it anyplace else, you're not going to be, we won't get notified. You have to paste it in this topic here. Just a minute, I'll take you in there so we can finish configuring it for you. And of course, what you're going to do in that topic, you're going to then copy and paste this, letting us know that you're ready to have us build that Facebook page. So let's go over, by the way, who do you know that offers a Facebook page that's automated with a chatbot in it, free of charge, to build any money-making opportunity you happen to be working? Nobody else out there does what we offer. Nobody. So let's go over to the training room and take a look. So when you join, you're going to be coming in through the topic new member support. Everybody comes in at the beginning in this channel, this topic here. Now what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to be lost unless you watch that training video. And normally we welcome you with this post here. This is watch this training video to better understand how our Telegram training room works, plus how to request your free advertising. If you don't watch this, you will be lost. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Marketing System Setup Help. The topic here. Remember, you were over here, new members. Now you're going to click here to get into the Setup Help here. Now you're going to come up to Pinned Messages, and you're going to open up some pinned messages. And we're going to go find the one with the instructions right here to request your AI-powered Facebook page. Read below. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to forward it down to the bottom here. See the setup right here. And Marty gives detailed instructions on how to request your AI-powered Facebook page right here. It's basically the same instructions I just showed you back over here. Okay, but we need to have you get into the Telegram group to request it. Can't request it from this page here. We're not going to be notified. So now we're going to take a look at a couple of our members' Facebook pages that we built for them to kind of give you an idea of what yours may look like and how it works. This is the page we built for one of our paid VIP members, Walter G. And of course, if you're a paid VIP member, you're going to be able to place your picture right here. Well, in fact, we're going to place your picture right here. If you're not a paid VIP member, we're just going to put an emoji in there. But this is one we did for Walter. But the most important part of this is this AI right here generated chatbot that when somebody comes on and finds your page, they can ask questions like, how much does this cost? And the bot's going to generate the answer to the questions automatically. We don't have to be there. You don't have to be there. It just does it automatically. Now, we always get these questions. Well, can I make posts of my other money-making opportunities on my Facebook page? Very important you understand this. We have built the Facebook page and the Facebook group to generate leads for you so that they can request a free marketing system for their money-making opportunities. If you come in here and try to make standalone posts for some other money-making opportunity not related to Systeme.io, your visitors that join your page and your group are going to be confused, and the chatbot is going to be confused because we programmed this chatbot to answer questions about the free marketing system. So what's going to happen is if you put, maybe you have a trading platform that you're trying to promote. And if you start talking about all your other money-making opportunities in your Facebook page, the chatbot, the auto-generated chatbot is going to be confused on how to answer the questions about your other money-making opportunities. We have programmed this chatbot to answer questions about the free marketing system. Can I build a free marketing system for your business? So keep that in mind. And people still hear what I'm saying, and they still go out there and do what they want to do, and all of a sudden everything breaks down, and they wonder why they're not making any money with their free marketing system. So please pay attention, because if you break this, okay, and you want us to fix it, we're going to have to charge you to fix it. Now you got to notice that I've made it so nobody can comment on these posts in here because we do not want to get them distracted. Plus, this chatbot will get confused again. The only place we want people to ask questions is in this chatbot right here. If they start asking questions in a comment down here, everything's going to fall apart. So keep that in mind. There's a reason that we make sure that nobody comments on these other posts. In conjunction to that Facebook page, of course, you're going to receive a Facebook group. Here's Walter's Facebook group. Now, this is where it's a lead capture page is what it's designed to do. It's not a page for Walter or you, anybody else to promote your money-making opportunities. It's for somebody that finds Walter's Facebook group and says, okay, post your business offers below for a free marketing system. And I see Walter has had no activity here to speak of. Chances are, because he doesn't understand, he needs to go out there and promote his Facebook group by sharing these posts here. And of course, I have a training video to teach everybody how to do that the right way. But this is where your prospects will come here and post their money-making opportunity, their business offer here. And in turn, at the beginning, I will be managing your Facebook group for you until you get a handle on it. Then you can take over. But all we want them to do is go here to request a marketing system for their money-making opportunity. We can't get them distracted with anything else. Very important you understand that. This is designed to get prospects to join you, in this case here, Walter, and take your marketing to the next level, the team build platform. In addition to that, this is where the prospect would then request a free marketing system like Walter has. Only two things, no distractions. They join through Walter for the team VIP platform, and or they request their money-making opportunity or their marketing system for their money-making opportunities here. That's it. No confusion, no distractions, only two things that we offer in our marketing system. This is one of our free members, and of course, as a free member, we just put an emoji in here, message me once. In this case here, if he wants to become a paid member, of course, we're going to take this out and put his picture in here. But the same thing goes here. As a free member, we're going to program your Facebook page to go after those who want a free marketing system, and they can ask questions down here. You don't have to be here. I don't have to be here. This is automatic AI generated. Pretty neat, isn't it? Okay, we're going to wrap this up, but if we go right back up here, right here, everybody wants to know, how's the AI chatbot work? Okay, everybody wants to dig into what's behind the scenes. So I've got it all laid out here to learn. Marty has a few training videos on how it works. I've given you the instructions of where to go to learn how it works. He's got it all laid out. I have not made the video yet, but Marty will be doing the presentation on how it works. I've given you the instructions here. You don't really need a video, but down the road, I'll make a video on where to go and how to do it and where to find it, okay? Okay, until my next System I/O training video, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside the live training room, ready to help build your business.